Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of the 75 members of our Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Narain Vyas. He was born in 1899 in the princely state of Jodhpur. He started Marvel Hitkarni Sabha, a group which fought against both English and non-Jodhpuri administrators. He was active member of the Congress party. He was elected to Constituent Assembly on the Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues. He participated in debates on state autonomy. He was of a strong opinion that proper boundaries should be drawn. He also spoke on the rights of the former princely states. We just see that on 25th of July 1947, he spoke, quote, "But now that we all have joined union, we may hope, or rather we should appeal to the rulers to fall in line with the rest of India. The provinces too should be requested to make proper use of the powers granted to them under the circumstances. We are grateful for the sympathy shown to us, but at the same time, I wish to say that our attitude would not seriously affect the federal subjects. It might affect union, which would consider its own interest." So these were his views which he expressed regarding the princely states joining the union. He passed away on 14th of March 1963. We are grateful for his contribution in making the Constitution of India. Thank you.